बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आई एम राना मुख्तार अहमद खान जोया, चेयरमैन शाहीन कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी पाकिस्तान। शाहीन इंग्लिश शॉर्ट हैंड प्रैक्टिकल डिक्टेशन 700 वर्ड्स बुक 2 एक्सरसाइज नंबर 14। डिक्टेशन स्पीड 100 words per minute. Ready, start. We have all read under the heading situations in young man who is willing to take on any kind of work. Full stop. He is so he status willing to go anywhere to do anything. Full stop. The thought which generally comes to the mind on reading these words is that the young man who considers himself able to do anything is probably able to do nothing very well. Full stop. There are of course cases of the good all-round man who can turn his hand to anything, and most of us have known a man or a woman who has been successful in several different kinds of work. Full stop. But such cases are few, and there is little doubt that as a rule it is necessary for young men and women to direct their efforts to some special line of work. Full stop. The development of the idea of division of labor has made this even more necessary today than it was a few years ago, and it is only by such directing of their efforts to some particular trade or business or art that most people can hope to make a reasonable living. Full stop. In the earlier days of the world, each man or woman was expected to do many different kinds of work, and in the less highly developed states today this is still the case. Full stop. In those early days also it was the woman who was expected to do the heavy or hard work, for the chief end of man was to show himself an expert in war, and most of his time was given up to war and planning for war in his effort to keep his family safe from the many dangers of the times. Full stop. But with the development of man and under more peaceful conditions, the system of life began to change. Full stop. Men began to take their part in the more peaceful side of life, and the work done by any one person did not cover quite so wide a field. Full stop. After a time it was quite common for one man to pass all his working time making one particular kind of thing until he was an expert in that special work. Full stop. He was responsible for the work from the beginning to the end. Full stop. But with the coming of the machine, conditions changed once more, and as more and more machines were used in industry, it was found that more profits could be made and better results could be secured if a man or a woman was asked to do only a very small part of the whole work. Full stop. And so men and women were asked to do smaller and smaller parts of the whole until today we find cases in which a person is employed to make over and over again just one particular movement which takes perhaps only a few seconds full stop throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the year. He is expected to pass his working hours doing this one simple thing without change of any kind full stop, and it is on this fact that the chief danger of the division of labor rests full stop. Division of labor has brought with it many developments, some of them good for the people as a whole, some of them bad full stop. The employment of many thousands of people to do the same little thing over and over again is among the bad, and it would be possible to paint a picture of these people showing their lives to be quite without interest full stop. But happily the world of today offers very much means of breaking away from the effects of such work and of finding interests which can be followed in the horse outside working time, and the wise boy and girl, the wise young man and woman will employ to the full the means offered to them to lead interesting lives in the present and to train for the future. Stop rating, please.